My name is Tevyn Hill, and this is There's a Boat That's Leaving Soon for New York from Porgy and Bess.